Minister of Health, the Honorable Dr. Frank Anthony, has said that while over 157,000 people have received their first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, he is still concerned that the immunization rates in some regions are still lagging behind. During Tuesday's COVID-19 update, Dr. Anthony said vaccination rates in the Batara Siperuni, Region 8, and Upper Demerara Berbice, Region 10, were trailing behind the other regions. The health minister said persons in these regions are not capitalizing on the COVID vaccines, which are being provided free of cost by the government.
There are lots of differences. So for first dose vaccination, we still have Region 10 being the lowest at 9.3, followed by Region 8 at about 18%. We also have, on the higher end, we have Region 6 that is at 38%, which is good, and really we want all the regions to be at that level. So we have to work very hard to get people to understand the importance of getting their vaccines. Most of the other regions are in between these two extremes.
During a visit to the Mabaruma Regional Hospital on Monday, the minister also noted that the response rate in Region 1 is concerning. Dr. Anthony said at least 83% of the adult population must be immunized for the region to achieve herd immunity. However, the percentage is nowhere close to this.
We have not seen a lot of people coming to get their vaccines. The staff has been here for the whole day, and we've only had 6 persons who came forward to get their vaccine. So that's a little bit concerning. We hope that we can persuade more people to get the vaccine, because in Region 1, so far we only have about 31% of the adult population in Region 1 who would have received their first dose.
He noted that Guyanese are fortunate to have access to the COVID vaccines, even as many countries are still struggling to vaccinate and protect their populations.
And in many countries today, they would like to be in the position that we're in, where we have vaccines for every adult person. Countries in the Caribbean, they would like to have vaccines, but they don't have access to vaccines. So we are very fortunate. And in fact, now, there are people who want to come to Guyana so that they can get their vaccines.
Minister Anthony said as of Monday evening, 13,010 persons were recorded as being fully immunized. He is therefore encouraging citizens who have taken their first dose to ensure they return for their second doses on the due date given. On Monday, Guyana's vaccination campaign was enhanced with the arrival of 38,400 doses of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine. The vaccines were made available through the COVAX facility. To date, Guyana has received 303,000 doses of COVID vaccines. The Ministry of Health is aiming to immunize at least 500,000 adults to achieve herd immunity and reduce the spread of the virus.